Welcome back to Chess for Stress. We're playing chess.com online daily puzzles. So we're going to start with October 28th, 2021 when the levee breaks. So not sure what we have in store for us, but this doesn't look too much like a complicated puzzle since there's not too many pieces on the board. White is to move next, and we're going to try to play this without any hints, so it should take a little bit longer. So basically what I see here is I see the black's king is attacking the B pawn on B4. So I'm thinking all the pawns are going to be in some danger if I don't get the king into action. So try again. Try again. Try again. Wow. Interesting. Try again. All right. That was amazing. It was amazing how that pawn was able to just break through, get through cracks, and just be able to get up there and be able to get to the last rank to be able to convert to a queen. It's pretty awesome. By diverting black's king and bishop, he was able to the king was able to or black was able to convert to a pawn. Convert his pawn to a queen. Awesome job. So anyway, it says good job. Check back each day for a new puzzle. Puzzles get harder throughout the week. There's this must have been a popular game. 207 comments. Watch this video by Ketty to understand this puzzle better. 3-minute and 9-second video. We're not going to play the video today. Here goes some of the comments. A lot of players are calling this a in-game puzzle. Someone's calling it a pawn break instead of a levee breaks. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another daily puzzle.